Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to solve the weekly contest 467 problem number 2. The Q1 I have already uploaded. Please watch if you have not completed. The question saying that we have maximum sum of at most k distinct elements, right? Means we have given elements in the nums, we can say, and we have to maximize the sum, right, of at most k distinct element, you can say, right? So this question is very neat problem that mixes the greedy thinking and with a set of sorting logic, you can say, right? So stick around and let's break it this problem in very simple steps so we can understand easily. Okay, let's try to understand what the question is saying that. So what you have given a array nums of positive integer, it is saying, and as well as you have given k, we have given, so k is an integer. So we need to pick at most k elements such that the elements are distinct. Okay, let's think about these three elements. So these three elements are called you can say k number of elements, we can say. So we can say these are the three k number of elements, means we have picked out of these three elements as a what you call at most k elements, we can say. Because we need to pick how many elements? At most k elements. So we have picked all these three elements because k equal to 3. So all these three are distinct, so you can understand k distinct elements, we got it. So if we got these 3k distinct element, it means what? Now we have to find the sum. You understand? Means first three elements we have to find, and then we have to you have to return it. Okay, so very first you have to see if I'll do the sum of these elements, will get the maximum sum. That is what the question is saying that. I hope you understand. So these elements are distinct, no duplicates are allowed, and the sum should be maximized. Okay, so finally you will return those element only which is strictly decreasing order. There are a couple of examples we also have given, you can go through. Let's suppose we have given k is 3 and these are the numbers we have given in the array. So if you'll do the sum, you will get the these are the distinct elements, or you can say the topmost elements that gives the maximum sum. Similarly, in this case, if you talk about k equal to 6, means we will take 2 and 1, that will give you the maximum sum. You will not repeat this again and again, right? But you have to take the unique values. Understand? So this example gives you a clear idea what is the meaning of the problem, right? I hope you understand. So very first, what you need to do, we have given an array, you can say the nums, and the integer k we have given. So we need to pick at most k elements such that these elements are distinct, no duplicate allowed, and the sum is maximized. And finally, you need to return those elements in the strictly decreasing orders. I hope you understand. Let's try to understand the constants. These are the constants we have given. Okay, so length could be greater than equal to 1 and it could be less than equal to 100. Means this array element can contain up to 100 elements. Let's talk about the num set I. So each elements are a number, and this number can range up to 10 to power 9. So you have to take the things also in the mind that okay, these elements is not only one, but it can be more than these numbers. Then you can see the k could be greater than equal to the nums. Okay, so this is what we have given. Okay, so very first let's talk about these two examples so you can understand. Okay, so how we will find these values and you will collect all the values. Very first talk about this example 1, then you will understand. Let's think about that. We have given these numbers we have given. Okay, very first step, what you should do, you should remove let's call the duplicate elements, because we need the distinct element, mean that is a unique elements. So all these once you remove all these duplicate elements, right, duplicates we can say, means the remaining will be what? All are unique numbers, right? Now think about, after removing we will do the sorting. Let's do the sort. After sorting, so you have to do the sorting in descending order, right? Let's talk about very first. In this case, if we have sorted, we'll get what? 100. 100 is the topmost number. Then 93 we can say. Then we have is 90. Then we have 84. And then we have what? 77, right? We have. You can verify. Then once do the sorting, what you need to do? You should pick the top 3 element, you can say. Once you will pick top 3 elements from here, that will give you the sum. So let's pick all these 3 numbers, and that is what you are getting here. Is it easy or not? It's very easy. Okay, and now you just say, okay, this is my answer. Top 3 k elements are, you will just make the loop from here to here and you can return it. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please ping in the comment box. Let's talk about the other 2 examples. Is it satisfying the example or not? Give me 1 second, guys. Next we have is this example 2 we have given. If you do the sorting of this number, obviously you will get the value. Let's suppose after removing, I'll do the sorting, right? So let's talk about that. After removing, the unique elements will be 100. Then we'll have 93. Then we have 84 and 77, right? So this is our unique values. If I'll do the sorting, so these are already sorted. We'll pick all these top 3 elements, and this is our answer. Let's talk about example 3. So example 3 contains many duplicates elements. If we'll do the remove, we'll get the elements is 2 and 1. So we have to do the descending order. So this is already sorted in the descending order. So if you'll get the elements, you will get the elements like this. Here you will get what? The sum you will get 3. Like that, if you'll talk about these 3, you will do the sum. It will give you around whatever 200 something, right? Similarly, for in this case, you will do the sum, you will get the value. Okay. So let's go to the code here that I have submitted. Okay, so very first, what you need to do, we have given the k elements we have given, right? So what you need to do, we have to return the distinct element that it will maximize, and so it should be in the, we will return in the descending order, we can say. Okay, so very first what you need to do, you check the length, and after checking the length, you can take the to remove the duplicates, you just put all those elements into the set. You make a for loop, iterate over the array, and you will add into the set. Next, what you need to do, you just move to the list, right, and sort in the descending order. So you will create the list and do collection.sort. It will get sorted. So we have to do the sorting in the reverse order. So you need to again pass the argument in the same function sort as a reverse order. And to pick the top elements, right, what you need to do, you have to pick the 2, let's suppose the top elements, let's call the math.mean, and from the size, whatever the top elements, because the third case, you remember, the third case we have only 2 elements was there. So list.size is only 2 elements, but the k was given is 6. Remember, I'm talking about this case. If you not write the case, it will break here. So here k is given what? 2 we have given, 6 we have given, and the total length is what? 2, 1. So after the getting this list, you have to put here the list size and the k, whichever is minimum, that you have to pick, because in this case we have to pick only 2 elements, right? Rest of the things are duplicate, so you cannot take the duplicate. So you will take the pick the top minimum element. Okay, and over there just make a loop. As I told you, we will make the loop, and you will get all the elements, and you will keep somewhere in the result, and you will return it here. Okay, so that's what I have in this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I have tested these methods through the helper function. You can try by yourself. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. Think like I'm your bro, your brother, and your bade bhai. If anything, any problem is coming, ping me in the comment box. As well as if you want classes with me, I'll help guys in helping the can say going the product based companies and in the bank preparation. If you want, you can connect. I'm going to start another batch. I just finished one batch, and I'm going to start another batch. So if you want, you can call me, you can WhatsApp, right? And please reach out, and we'll do discuss about your goal, what is your dream, and uh, what is your timeline, what is your approach when you want to go in the product based companies. So let's talk and plan yourself, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.